Hello, Sasrikal, Namaste, and Assalamu Alaikum, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Matt Blog, and I'm your host, Jabbar. Okay. So, today I did really stupid thing, and you can see the condition of my bike. What happened to the handlebar? Oh, it was because I wanted to bring the bike all the way on this terrain going up. Everything was fine, but the problem was here. The bike was not getting any grip. The mud was what you call loose mud because of the tire. It's not a off-roading tire, and it's a cruiser tire. You can see over there that one, and plus the torque was so high that it was not gripping on the on the soil, and everything, the mud was flying around. You see all of this. I tried to bring the bike all the way up 6 or 7 times, failed miserably. I have the whole video, and everything was flying around when I was revving the bike. So it was pretty awesome as well as tough experience. You can see over here what happened is I think the only thing which got screwed is this handlebar. The crash guard saved the bike, and yeah, nothing happened to me because I know what I was doing, and I was well prepared for a worst case scenario. So I'll show you guys what happened, and just stay tuned and enjoy the video. So that's all, guys. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye. Sayonara.